Guys, today I'm taking a look at a battery pack or power bank, call it what you will. But this is no ordinary power bank. Why? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scene for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, we are in a world of portable tech, and that tech needs power. So for years we have had and continue to see new battery packs for mobile phones and tablets. But today guys, I have a powerful, small and light battery pack that will deliver 145 watts of portable power, which, yeah, you got it. This can charge your laptop as well as your mobile devices. And that is pretty damn awesome. This, my friends, is the UGREEN 145 watt power bank. Now, before we get into it, UGREEN sent me this power bank in exchange for my honest review. And guys, if you follow my channel, you know that you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. First off, guys, we have the power bank itself. I'll just pop that over to the side for a second. We then have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Now, obviously not all cables are equal, so if you want to get the full 100 watts, which I'll explain the 100 watts in a second, you need to ensure that your cable is rated for that. We'll do a little test shortly. Then we have some paperwork, and lastly the charger itself. And I've got to say that first impressions are solid, nice to hold product, and actually it's portable. Looking around the power bank, we have a button, and when you press this, it gives us a percentage of power remaining in this power bank. We also have some branding on the front, and then we get to the ports, guys. On the front, you've got the high power 100 watt USB-C connection. You've got another USB-C port which can deliver the remaining 45 watts, and you've got a USB-A port. More on the power outputs in just a second. Now guys, the one thing that I will have to say first off is this is small. I mean, I recently reviewed another 100 watt power bank, battery pack, call it what you like. And although it's 50,000 milliamps, whereas this one is 25,000, I can tell you now that this is a brick to carry anywhere. Now, it's a great piece of kit, and you know what? It's got all of the ports that you need to be out and about. It's got a handy light on it, which is handy if you're out and about. Just turn that off. But yeah, look, in comparison, I love it, but boy, it's heavy. But the UGREEN is tiny in comparison. Okay, like I said, it's only got 25,000 milliamps, so half of the other one. But as you can see, it is so much smaller and lighter. In fact, let's go crazy and weigh these. Right, here we have some good old food weighing scales, which should do the job nicely. I'll set the units to grams, and first up, it's the UGREEN. And there you have it, guys, 505 grams, about the weight of a new iPad. So you know what? Not bad at all. Next up, the other one, and yeah, over double the weight. Now, of course, this will probably give me 2 full charges for my laptop. And if you're going to be out and about all day and you need that kind of power, yeah, throw it in the car, it's all good. But for a train, bus, plane, whatever, the UGREEN is going to be more than enough. My 16-inch M1 Max MacBook Pro ships with a 140 watt charger, so charging it up with this 145 watt power bank should give me a complete full charge. But we will check this out in just a few seconds. The fact is that this is even possible in the first place. One thing to note, guys, is that you will only get a maximum single output of 100 watts. the 145 watts is combined and split amongst your devices that you've got on charge. For example, taking a look at the ports, you have a dedicated 100 watts in and out USB-C port. So that's the one to use for your laptop. The other USB-C port will give you the remaining 45 watts. So if you plug in a laptop to the 100 watt port and your tablet or phone into the other USB-C port, you're going to have 145 watts of simultaneous charging. Likewise, you have a USB-A port in the middle, you're going to get about 18 watts out of that one. And if you have all three ports on the go, then you're going to get a three-way split of power. The nice thing is though, that this 100 watt port for your laptop is always going to give you 100 watts should you need it. You also have the little power indicator that's handy to let you know how much juice is in the power bank. So that's all good. Now, let's have a look at charging my laptop to see how much real power output we're getting. I've got one of these USB-C to USB-C cables with a power monitor on it. So let's use that. So rather interestingly, this is a 100 watt cable. Says it on the cable, right? But it would seem that the MacBook Pro doesn't need 100 watts to charge. I tried the slower USB-C port and yeah, you know what, I was getting like 8, 9, something like that watts. The faster one, which is supposed to be reserving that massive 100 watts, is only getting asks for about 13 to 20 watts. Even if I push it with an After Effects render, it's still only asking for around 50 watts. I think that's pretty cool, and I think it's probably pretty cool of the MacBook managing its power well. But guys, there you have it. This is a light way to charge all your devices when you're on the move. Tons of power in a small form factor that gives you that dedicated 100 watt laptop charging capability should you need it. And guys, this bad boy usually costs around £140, but you can pick this up on Amazon Prime Day for a mere $89.99 good old British pounds. And that, guys, is a bargain for all day power on the move. If you've got any questions or comments, then please leave them below. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to UGREEN for sending me this 145 watt power bank to review. It's going to be staying in my bag for sure. Guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.